Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button, and in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So if you love cinnamon roll, you need to try making the cinnamon roll smoothie. It is totally delicious, and you know we gotta add a little cinnamon dust in here. Let's make it. So we're making our cinnamon roll smoothie. So let's do this together. So I'm going to start with a capful of vanilla. This is pure vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. And all of our ingredients will be listed in this video and measurements. And I am going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. This one has a vanilla stick in here. Okay, which I am going to kind of put back so it can stay with its flavoring of vanilla. Oops. Okay, and then we are going to put our protein powder. Now this is optional. You can use any kind of protein powder that you like or have. I'm just using a vanilla protein powder. 1 scoop of it. And then I am going to add our vanilla bean yogurt. You can use whichever brand yogurt that you prefer or you like. I love these because you can see the actual vanilla bean in it. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Well, 2.5, maybe 3. Oatmeal never hurt anyone. Good fiber for you. And we want to add our brown sugar. Now you can't have no cinnamon roll without having some brown sugar since we're not adding any butter. We definitely want to have some brown sugar in here. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And the star is our cinnamon. We got to make sure we add our cinnamon in here. Okay, I'm going to add some frozen vanilla cube, yogurt cube. And I took some vanilla yogurt and I froze it into a ball. Add that in there as well. Here's our vitamin content. All right, let's just add a little. You know, we gotta add some Cinnamon Toast Crunch dust in here. And if you don't like it and you don't want it, don't add it. But if you're gonna make cinnamon rolls, you should have some. And here are a list of ingredients. All right, G. So I've made our cinnamon roll smoothie. You're our resident taste tester. Let me know.
Let's see.
Let's go.
Well, it tastes pretty much just like a cinnamon roll, just in a liquid form.
Okay.
With the thickness of it and then the cinnamon dust and everything, it all blends together, and you can taste a little bit of the oats, which gives it sort of like the bread and flavor of the cinnamon roll.
Okay.
So overall, it's pretty good.
Now you heard this from a young palate. You guys really need to try this out if you haven't done this before. If you're looking for a special treat, you know, like on your cheat day, definitely try this. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Listen guys, definitely give this a try. Let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. We do answer the comments. And come back and join us in our next video. And remember, most of all, be good to yourself, and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.